Hi guys, it's Beth. Welcome back to my channel, and today I just wanted to share the new pad I'm going to be working on for September. My theme is Halloween, and so I am starting with the Pinkaboo pad that I got from Michael's last year. It's a Craftsmart pad. And I got it like towards the end of the Halloween season last year and didn't get a chance to play with it. So I am ready to play with this pretty pad. I love all of the pinks and the pastels, the purples, just some fun images. So this is what I'm going to be working on in September. And I know some of you have already had this pad, so you may have already played with it, or you may still have it from last year. And if you do still have it, you are welcome to pull it out and work along with me, craft along with me. And if you have already used it, I would love to hear how you used this pad. I don't have any specific ideas. I know there are some projects that I want to work on in general for Halloween, like just from all of the pad projects that I'll be working on this month, like whether it be this small pad or this pad or just some other random paper. But I do want to make some Halloween themed hot cocoa packets, some Halloween nugget packs, and maybe come up with some other Halloween treat type packs, and then some cards. And I don't know, with this one, with the pinks, I think I want to make some decor out of this one. I just haven't figured out yet what I want to use, but I love the pink and I love the turquoise too. And then I do like the contrast of the dark purple. So I don't know, there may be some decor pieces that come out of there, but and maybe even some scrapbook pages, but I haven't really sat down. Normally I make a list. I haven't done that yet with this pad. I need to tear into it for a project that I have to post here in the next few days, so I wanted to go ahead and show the pad before I kind of dug into it. But I did go through my stash and find some embellishments that might work with it. From Recollections, I have these little 3D kind of glittered ghosts that I think I picked up at the end, like after Halloween last year, and then the same way with these little spiders. And then I think it was the same with these little foam ghosts, but there is some purple in there, and then just the white. I think the white will work well with that pad. Here's just some rub-ons that I've had in my stash. And these look like they came from the Target dollar spot, but they're holographic almost. But I thought some of the ones with just the black and the silver might go well with the pad. And then, you know, more silver glittered webs and some black glittered spiders, and these were from Paper Studio at Hobby Lobby. So those are some embellishments I found that I might be able to use with some projects out of this pad, but I am excited to tear into this one. I've been waiting for almost a year to be able to play with this one, so this was the first pad I wanted to start with this month. But like I said, if you have already used this pad, let me know what you made with it, because I am looking for some ideas. And if you have this pad and haven't already used it, then I would love for you to craft along with me this month using this pad, and then I would love to hear about what you're making as well. But that's all I have for you guys today. Just wanted to share it before I started to tear into it. But thank you guys so much for your time. If you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you can stay tuned for all the projects that I do end up making from this pad. But thanks again, and I hope you're all having a crafty day.